So you finished your little clip, you color corrected, there's a title on it, and now we will have to export it to a movie. So click File, Export Media, and then you get this little screen that opens up. Your format always needs to be H.264. There's a lot of other options, but just choose that one. And then you've got a choice between all kind of presets, and you see YouTube, you see Vimeo, there's Facebook, there's high quality. So it depends a little bit on what you want to export. Most movies you will export, I think, in 1080p high definition. This little movie has been filmed in 4K, so I'm going to export it as 4K in YouTube version. Give it a name so you can also find it back in the right location. So I'm just going to put it on the desktop for now. But if you have a little folder for finished movies, put it in there, give it a name, and then press export. And now you'll see it goes pretty fast on some computers. And once it's done, you'll find it in the folder that you assigned it to go to. Once it gets to 100%, you'll see that you can actually watch it on your computer. And before uploading anything, always make sure that you check your export to see if there's no little black screens, or if your colors come out right, your titles are placed in the right position before uploading it to social media or to the internet.